Apolinario from EBM 11-A-4. So for topic for today is function and fundamental operation. So what is a function? A function is a number of percent as a part of a whole. So it consists of the numerator and denominator. The numerator is represent the number of equal parts of a whole, while the denominator naman is a total number of parts that make said a whole. So, numerate yung one, number of parts we have. Yung denominator natin is total parts in whole. So, meron tayong three types of function. Meron tayong proper function, numerate yung top, so smaller than denominator. So, 1 and 4, so mas mataas yung denominator. Yung improper function naman, number is large than denominator. So, mas mataas naman yung top number kaysa sa bottom number. So, yung mixed number naman, whole number and fraction. So, ganyan. 3 and 5, 7, 2, and 4, and 9. So, yung mixed number to improper, so mangyari, 5 times 3 plus 4 is equal to 18. So, copy the denominator. Next is exercise of mixed number to improper. So, here's the answer. So, 5 times 7 plus 3 is equal to 38. So, copy the denominator again, and that's correct. So, number 2, 8 times 6 plus 5 is equal to 53. So, copy the denominator again, and 8, that's correct. So, number 3, 10 times 9 plus 2 is equal 46. So, yung 10 natin is naging 5. Kasi, sinimplify. So, yung number 4 natin, 2 and 2 and over 4 is equal to 5, 4. Kasi 4 times 2 plus 2 is equal 5. So, copy the denominator. So, 9 times 6 plus 1 is equal to 55. Copy the denominator. That's correct. So, next naman natin is proper function to mix. So, 11 and 4. So, ang gagawin natin is 4 divided by 11. So, 2 and over 8. That 11, 8 minus is 3. So, ang naging answer natin is 2, 3, and 4. So, and ito naman yung proper function natin to mix exercise. And here's the answer. So, 113 over 12, its answer is 9, 5 over 12. Copy the denominator lang din. So, next naman is 19 over 2. So, answer natin is 9 and 1, 2. So, number 3 is 36 over 10. So, the answer is 3 and 3, 5. So, that's correct. And number 4 naman is 75 over 12. It's 6 and 1/4. So, ginawa na natin dyan is sinimplify na agad. So, that's wrong. So, number 5 naman is 50 over 8 is equal 6 and 1/4. So, next naman is fundamental operation. Meron tayong 4 types of fundamental. Meron tayong addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, first is division. So, meron tayong 2 and over 5 and 1 over 5. So ang mangyayari is 2 plus 1 is equal 3. So, copy the denominator. Always do copy the denominator. So, 6 plus 4 is 10. Copy the denominator. But, gagawin natin, isi-simplify natin siya. So, mangyari 5 over 6 na. So, next is the addition exercise. And here's the answer. So, 5 plus 6 pala is 11. So, copy the denominator. So, sinimplify natin, nakuha natin is 1 and 3/8. So, that's correct. So, meron naman, sa number 2, 2 plus 5 is equal 7. Copy the denominator. That's correct. So, number 3 is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and copy the denominator. So, sinimplify natin siya. So, nakuha natin yung 1 over 2. So, meron tayo sa number 4 is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So, copy the denominator is equal to 4. So, sinimplify natin siya. So, 1 na lang siya. So, number 5, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 6 plus 1 ay 6. Copy the denominator lang din. So, sinimplify natin, nakuha natin in 2 third. So, next naman is addition. Yung kailangan natin ng didn't LCM for dissimilar to denominator. So, gagawin natin para maging similar yung denominator natin, gagawin natin yung 5 times 3. Ipagta-times natin sila. So, 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So, 5 times 3 is equal to 6. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. So, ito yung LCM natin. Yung same na sila ng denominator. So, ang sagot natin is 11/15. That's it. So, yung addition pa ito. One example pa. So, meron tayong hindi pa rin again yung same yung nila. So, meron tayong 4 times 6 is equal to 12. 6 times 3 is equal to 9. 4 times 2 is equal to 4. So, ang answer natin is 13/12. So, sinimplify natin, nakuha natin 1 and 1, 12 over 12. So, here's the addition example, exercise. So, ganun ulit, dahil hindi same sila, dahil kailangan natin pag same yung denominator nila, so pinagta-times natin sila. And here's the answer, 15, 9, 3 times 3 is equal to 9, 5 times 1 is equal to 5. So, 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So, ito yung LCM natin. So, ang sagot natin is 14, 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So, copy the denominator. So, ang sagot natin is 4 and 15. So, number 2 is 5 times 5 is equal to 25. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So, the answer natin is 25 over 25. So, sinimplify is 1 na lang. Number 3, 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 2 is 12. And 4 times 1 is 4. So, ang answer natin, ito is, 14, 24, copy the denominator. So, 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. That's correct. Next naman is subtraction. Subtraction. So, yung subtraction naman natin, syempre minus lang yun, guys. Pero, copy the denominator again talaga. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 5 so, syempre, yung denominator natin, copy lang yan. So, mayroon tayong 1 and 5 over 5. So, next naman is 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So, copy the denominator. So, sinimplify natin. Nakuha natin 1 and over 6. So, here's the exercise of subtraction. So, mayroon naman tayong exercise number 1 is yun yung 13 minus 27 is equal to 14. So, again, copy the denominator lang. So, exercise number 2 naman is 23 minus 34 is equal to 11. So, again, copy the denominator. So, exercise number 3 naman, 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Copy the denominator. So, sinimplify natin, ang nakuha natin sagot is 2 and 3, 2 third. So, next, multiplication. So, syempre, multiplication, alam naman natin na lahat is times. So, ang gagawin natin, ito siya. So, ginawa natin ganyan. So, 5 times 30, 5 times 3 again, sorry. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So, 5 times 1 is equal. 2 times 1 is 2. So, ang nakuha natin sagot is 2 over 15. So, ito naman next is 5 times 5 again, 25. 5 times 2 times 1 is 2. So, kailangan lang natin is yung ito, i-multiply both numerator and the denominator. So, again, another example. So, meron tayong 12 times 12 is equal 144. 6 times 4 is equal 24. So, sinimplify natin, nakuha natin 1 and over 6. So, here's the exercise of multiplication. So, madali lang naman siya. Pero kailangan mo din siya i-simplify. So, 13 times 13 is equal to 86. 5 times 2 is equal 10. So, ang answer natin is 10 over 36. So, sinimplify natin, nakuha natin is 5 over 18. Next naman is number 2. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. 11 times 2 is equal to 24. So, simplify natin again is nakuha natin 2 and 4. 4. 2 and 4. So, number 3. 6 times 6 is equal to 48. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. So, simplify 2 and 12 na. Number 4, that's correct. Number 4 is 6 times 8 is 48. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. So, simplify natin 5 and 12. That's correct. So, 8 times 8 is 64. 3 times 6 is 18. Simplify natin siya is 9 over 32. So, that's correct again. So, next naman natin is division. Yung division, syempre divide lang yan. So, gagawin natin, yung 2 and 5 natin, divided by 1, 5. So, ang gagawin natin siya sa, pagbabalik rin natin siya sa LCM pagdating dito. So, mangyari 2, 5 times 5 over 1. So, ang naging sagot natin is 10 over 5. Kasi ginawa natin, 5 times 2 is equal to 10. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. So, sinimplify natin, nakuha natin is 2. Etong 1 plus 5, why natin binaliktad? Getting the principle of division, then proceed to multiplication. So, here's the exercise of division. So, exercise number 1 is ito, 4 and 5 divided by 6 and 2. So, gagawin natin times, gagawin natin 4 and 5 times 2 and 6. Pinagbaliktad lang natin. So, 5 times 6 is equal to 30. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So, equal is 4 over 15. That's correct. So, number 2 naman is ganun ulit. 3 and 4 divided by 2 and 3. So, pagbabaliktad natin yung 2 and 3. So, 3 and 4 times 3 and 2. So, the answer is 9 over 8. That's correct. So, number 3 naman is, ganun lang din, pinagbaliktad lang din natin yung 1 and 3. So, naging ano natin, 2 times 9, 2 over 9 times 3 over 1. So, equal 6 over 9. So, syempre, sinimplify natin, nakuha natin is 2 and third. So, meron tayong mathematical quotes. So, by Anonymous. So, life is a is equation. In order to gain most, you have to know how to convert the negative into the positive. Thank you for listening. Bye.